So I think I'm going to do this for my concealer. I think I'm going to add this. This is the Ulta Double Duty Primer and Foundation with the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Topaz. So I'm going to put these two together and pray. Does anybody ever get scared when they're about to do their makeup? Like, I feel like so many times I've had so many mishaps. Seriously, I'm like terrified that I'm gonna mess up. So I'm mixing these. Okay. Ooh. Whatever you do, makeup, do not come to my dress. Do not even think about it. You know what I forgot to do? This is what happens every time when I get distracted. Okay, I know it looks red. That's just because my skin does that sometimes. Wow, I forgot so many things. I don't know, when I get in front of the camera, I start to panic. Okay, so I'm doing my thing over even some of the foundation because it's not really giving me much coverage. So I just put some corrector under my eyes. And yeah, I get stage fright. It's like camera fright or something. I don't know. Anyway, what are you gonna do? All right, so now, I'm using Erase Paste number 2 medium, by the way, for my eyes, and then I always like to add a little bit of like a concealer. I'm gonna do the conceal first on my nose, camouflage and concealer. This is in 40 medium. I think that's seeped in long enough. So let's get the concealer. I really like how this combination that I use really blends in nicely. Now, I don't know if it's completely taking everything off, and maybe I'm just fooling myself, which wouldn't be the first time, but it does seem to look pretty good. Also, don't forget, you gotta put the Carmex or some kind of heavy moisturizer, Aquaphor, anything on your eyebrows when you're an older woman, because if you don't, you will get flakes. And you don't want flakes. You do not want flakes. So that's what I have on my eyebrows currently. Probably will wipe it off when I'm ready to do everything else. So, be back. I live for that stuff. You know what? I think I'm gonna bake because I got time. There's like no rush for me to get there. So hopefully I'm going to bake. I haven't baked in a while. I'm gonna get my eyes prepped. Anyway. I love color. I think this will look really cool. Oh, it's so pretty. Do you see that? How pretty that is? I'm gonna add from up here. I'm gonna do this highlighting powder, this Wet n Wild in White Raven. Oh, yeah, but I will add a little bit extra shimmer up top because I love the little extra shimmer. There we go. All right, as long as it's pretty. Mascara. Now I'm panicking. Oh boy, I'm panicking. I'm panicking. I gotta turn you off for a little bit. I was panicking, but it's okay. Now I'm going to dust off the bake. Yeah, I was kind of afraid of it being too light. But I can just go, yeah. See, it's too light. Do that. Alright, so do a little contour. I'll get things started by that way. So I'm going to use my fake Laguna thing from e.l.f. to deal with that double chin, the bane of my existence. I'm pretty happy with everything else. What am I doing that for? I'm pretty happy with everything else. And like on my face, you know, I know it's, you know, I'm old. I'm 50 years old, so I don't mind that I have a little sagginess and stuff. I just hate this. So anyway. I'm just now I'm going to go over it with the Sunny. And see, right now I'm not happy with my makeup look. I'm going to be honest. I'm going to do this crazy color. This is the Hot Mama Balm for my blush. Maybe that'll help it out. And I'll figure out the highlighter. Yeah, I love this blush though. My husband even likes it. Yeah, I feel like it's not bright enough, so let's try this one. Go to the go-to Nikki Tutorials Ofra, you know, that crazy highlighter. So I think I'm just gonna kind of dab the lighter too. I always like to do like right here at the orbital bone, right around the eyes, and the nose. Boop, boop. Not too much. This is what I'm going to use for the highlighter on my brow. So I'm not sure. You know what? I just realized people haven't been doing lately? The boop, the inner eye boop. Remember, like everybody did the inner eye boop. I think this is supposed to be like the crease brush, but I use it for the boop. That's what I call it, the eye boop. You know what I want to do? Where's the other one? This one. I want to do the White Raven with the mixture of the Nikki Tutorials lightest. Highlight the heck out of it. Oh, that's so pretty. Hopefully I'm going to have enough time to take pictures. It's the only place I can really put makeup, because otherwise if I put anything underneath, ah, look, oh, and then my oh, I used the wrong thing. Why did I use that? All right. Nobody will notice. Finish up with my brows. Pretty much have everything done. 7 o'clock. Hopefully I have enough time to just judge and take pictures. So putting on my beautiful Evil Morphe Empire spray stuff that I love, the continuous spraying mist. What can I say? I love it. Now, I don't know. I don't agree with Nikki Tutorials. She says that when she sprays everything, it all comes together. It becomes skin. Mine doesn't. It's like, it just looks more shiny. You know? And I don't want to look more shiny. I just baked. Why do I want to be more shiny? I think, is that you, Maggie? I thought I heard Maggie. I don't want to be more shiny. I'm trying to prevent that. I want to be glowing, but I don't know. It just makes me, I feel like I can see all my pores more than I did before. That's what it feels like. Anyway, okay, so we're doing the orange lippy. I'm going to use this Lilac. L'Oreal is very old. A few years ago. I'm a bad girl. If you were to ask me what this color is, I would have to tell you 414 is the color, because I must be getting old. Anyway, so I'm going to do the Ofra. I love this color, Nikki Tutorials in Spell, and I may or may not do a topper with either the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sunset Strip Lip Gloss, or I'm going to do Wet n Wild's Local Potion. Local Potion! Alright, so there we go. Need all the hell I can get. And don't forget what I like to do. I take a little lip liner, push it up a little bit, give me a little bit more lippy. Okay, so it's looking better. I'll be back. Y'all, I'm feeling kind of sassy. What do you think? Beauty guru pose. Clock at the house. A scandalo.